Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have a luxury haul for you guys, a collective haul to show you. My puppies are right here, so sorry if somebody barks, I might have to edit that out. But I have a luxury haul from the Real Rebag, mostly the Real though. So on my vlog that's gonna go up for January, you will see this little card holder from Hermès. I forgot what type of leather this is, but it's really soft. And then I really like that the metal matches. So it's green in the center and just silver on the edges. So I thought that was super cute. I haven't opened these yet, so I'm gonna open that last. But I also got this Valentino Rockstead tote, because I needed a tote for my school stuff and to take to work. I got this bag for $300. I believe it retails for $18. It has a couple flaws here and there, like there's like a stud missing here and one missing on this side, but I don't really care because I wanted something that was used that I could wear all the time and not worry about being like, oh, it got scratched, oh, something fell off, blah, blah, blah. And then I also put a little Labubu. My little Labubu is on here, and I'm gonna get it an outfit. Like, I'm super excited to put an outfit on it. But yeah, so I got the Valentino Rockstead tote. It's also missing the crossbody strap, but I could just put any crossbody strap on there. And I really don't like thin straps because they make my shoulders hurt, so I'm gonna get a thicker strap to put with this. I also purchased, while I was in Ohio, if you watch my videos and check out my vacation vlog, I have 4 more videos that are gonna go up, which is Grand Turk and Half Moon Cay, and then my trip to Ohio to see my dad and my dog Max. But I went to the Louis Vuitton store in Columbus, Ohio, and I got myself the little keychain holder. So I got this brand new because resale, it was basically close to getting it brand new. So I was like, let me just buy it brand new in store, go look around, find some things that I might like, and keep it pushing. So I did get that. And then I used that immediately. Like, I've been using that since my trip in December. But yeah, so I've been loving that thing. So I just switched it out for the Hermès, because I really like small things. Like, I really want stuff that I can like stick in my pocket, you know, take a small bag, not have to worry about it, and keep it pushing. I never know where to look. I'm like looking over here, and I probably should be looking over here, because you're like, girl, where are you looking? Looking at myself, my bad. But yeah, so this and the little keychain holder is great. But the only thing is, I don't actually like wearing the Louis Vuitton key holder or card key holder on my, with my keys, because the chain is long, so it makes it longer than the rest of my keys, and it's just awkward. So I only do that to like, I hook it on my belt loop and like stick it in my pocket. But yeah, so, and then from Rebag, I got the Hermès Roulis. This is the, what is it called? Slim wallet. So instead of the Constance, I got the Roulis, because I like that it just slips in here and you don't have to try to click it, the little flap down. So I like that it just slides in, and it also comes with the little pouch. But I figured out, I originally bought it because I thought that my cards would fit in this, but they do not. It's actually just a little too small for cards. So you could put cash, a little change, maybe a few other things, but I think it's really nice because it has the H on it at the end of the zipper. And then with the Roulis, you do have some slip pockets, because technically this is supposed to be a wallet. So I'm guessing this is just meant to be for like change and maybe like some loose bills here and there. But I want to get a Twilly so I can make this into a belt bag or like a little crossbody bag. So I'm gonna get the little insert and then you can put it as a little mini crossbody. And that's also why I like this, because it does hold my cards and I can just slide it right inside. Actually take this little red one out, slide it inside, and it fits in there. And then I can put a key, because I have a little tiny key, and it's just a slim thing, and I can put that straight on my waist. Sorry, my chair is like rubbing up against the wall, my bad. But yeah, so I thought that was super cute. And I also like that I could just take this and put some cash in it, because I have my cards, you know, one of my cards at least always linked to my phone. So as long as they have tap, baby, I can pay. And one of my most exciting purchases that I actually got a few months ago that I never showed you guys. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? If you can guess, put it in the comments below. And guess what colors? Cocoa. but I got a Dior, my Dior in the big size. And the best thing about this is I got it from the Real, and I scanned the chip. Okay, cut it out and get out the window. Hey, Coco, come here. You want a treat? Do you want a treat? You gotta sit down. You gotta sit down and be quiet. I love how they... All right, so I got the my Dior. I've worn this bag one time. I wore it out, but I love it. It's super cute. It's the big size. It's not the mini, which I thought they priced it like the price of the mini. And I don't know if that was an error, but baby got a deal, okay? And then I got this is the chain. And it's literally in pristine condition. So it had never been worn. And I've only worn it once, so she's brand new. But that's my new thing lately, is why pay more when you don't have to? Like, and even better if you can get a full set with the box and everything is cool, but I'm happy as long as I get the dust bag. So I have this guy for spring. It actually looks good with this top, but today I wore a yellow Valentino bag, which I got duped on because I thought those Valentino bags that you see in like Macy's and stuff was Garavani, and then I looked at the plate on the inside and it is Mario Valentino, not Valentino Garavani. So don't get duped, baby, seeing that stuff. Okay, there we go. Sorry, babe. So my phone was like, you don't have enough memory, and I was like, girl, yes I do. So I deleted like a whole bunch of videos. So I did I got this for under the retail price of the mini size, so that was like really good. And I did test it and double check, because people try to say the Real world sometimes there's fake stuff gets through, but that's like extremely rare, and that was like years ago that all that stuff was happening. But it does scan for the chip, because a lot of the new bags have chips in them, and ones that are scannable with your phone that you can download an app for are Louis Vuitton. I know the Givenchy, however you want to say it, ones are scannable with your phone. I haven't tried to scan a Chanel bag yet with the chip. I do have one that has the chip, but I haven't tried that bag yet. And that one I got from Fashion File. So I'll probably try that one and let you guys know. But let's unbox the last thing. I do have 3 things that I ordered, but I'm going to unbox that for Valentine's Day, because that's my Valentine's Day gift for myself. And this is my New Year's stuff and Christmas presents to myself. So I'm going to show you what's in here, which I'm sure by the case you can tell what it is. But I've always wanted Shield sunglasses, and I don't know, I just wasn't in love with the Louis Vuitton ones, and I feel like everybody has the Louis Vuitton ones. So when I saw these, I was like, let me try them. So it's gonna be my first time seeing them in person with you guys. So it's a cute purple case, and yes, it's really funny because they sent me a Gucci case for Dior glasses, but I know that happens sometimes. And people will send it in just because that's the case they put it in. But you guess what they look like? This is what they look like. Oh my goodness, so cute. So let's go ahead and pop them on. Girl, I love them because I don't like those huge ones. I might try them one day, but I just wanted something cute and reflective for spring with a little bit of edge. Ooh, they have a really good weight to them. I have another pair of Dior's, but yeah, I don't have any black and gold. That's the main thing I was looking for, is like a black and gold, just pop them on in the car and roll type sunglass. But yeah, that is my haul from the Real and Rebag. But at least I have a case for it, so that's fine with me. I don't care if it's a different case. But yeah, so that is my little collective haul of pre-loved goods, because baby, why spend more when you can spend less? Save that coin, okay? Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I post, and keep up to date with my shenanigans. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Love you. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.